Claire Ryan. I'm the coordinator of the Midwest Invasive Plant Network and the administrator of UMISC 2020. And in this video, I'm going to show our UMISC exhibitors how to edit their exhibit page through EventMobi, which is our conference platform, to get it looking exactly how they want it. So let me just start a screen share. Okay. So you're going to start in an email that's going to look a lot like this one that I will be generating these emails to you. However, it won't come from my email address. It'll come from umisc2020@eventemails.com. So if you're watching this video and you haven't received a link yet, especially if you're the one that set up the exhibitorship, definitely look in your spam folder just in case it got directed there. I emailed this to myself and it came directly. It did not hit spam, so hopefully you'll have similar luck. When you get the email, where you want to click is this button down at the bottom that says edit your profile. Don't click the other green button yet that says go to your event app. The event app isn't launched yet. It'll be launching in early October, but until then, just click edit your profile, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this one, where it'll say welcome, and then it'll say either the name of your company or the name of your organization that's exhibiting. And this is the basic navigation of the back ends of a virtual booth. It's got this company details section, a place to upload any documents that you want on your page, and then a place to list out as many external links as you want. But the company details is kind of the basic starting place. So let's go there. And we've actually done quite a bit of the work on this section for you. We did put in a logo for all our exhibitors. The one thing about logos on these pages is that they do have to be square. So if your logo is not square to begin with, I basically reformatted it to be square. But you might want to take a look at it, and if you have a better square logo, just hit delete on here to get rid of what's there, and then pull in a different file. It should be pretty straightforward. Okay, now here in the details section, I also populated this probably with text from your web page or perhaps your LinkedIn page if you have one. Just very basic what your organization or company is about. Definitely read that and feel free to replace it or update it however you would like. And this little what you see is what you get editor on the page is pretty cool, especially if you can easily pull content from another source. And I'll show you that right now. So for this project, the Woody Invasives project that I'm making this page for, we already have a nice About Us page, and I've actually already highlighted the part I'd like to pull onto the EventMobi page. So I'm basically just going to highlight that, use my keyboard shortcut to copy it, go back to EventMobi, and then hit paste. And now look what happens. I get a little pop-up that says the code you're pasting is similar to HTML format, keep as HTML. So let's try that and see what happens. So what it does is it maintains a lot of the formatting that was on the original web page. So relative font sizes, some of the colors, and even the images that were on there. I've got the Miffin logo, the GLRI logo there, and the links behind them were maintained in here. So that's really nice. And it'll liven up your page a little bit if you get something with images in it. If you're having trouble getting images into this part of your page, just email me or give me a call, and I'll be happy to help you out with that. Okay, so let's talk about videos. Now you can link to as many videos that are hosted on an external site such as YouTube or Vimeo or any competitor. You can link to as many as you want, but you're only able to embed one where it'll be easily viewable right in your booth page. It's a little tricky to do that, but I'll show you how. And if you run into any problems with it, just let me know. Just shoot me an email or a call, and I am happy to help you figure it out. Okay, so I have my YouTube video open here that I'd like to embed in my page. And what you have to do is go to Share and Embed, and then get this embed code. Copy the whole thing. Go over to EventMobi, paste it, and you would think that was it, but it isn't, because it doesn't want this entire HTML code. It just wants this part of it that's in the quotes. So I'm going to really quick just delete the rest of it, and everything after this quote too, it does not need. And that's it. It's going to have this little embed part in it though, and apparently that's important. Like if I just put the share URL to like email the video page to someone, it won't actually work. So a little annoying, a little tricky. Again, if you run into trouble, just let me know and I'm happy to help. So there's my video ready to go. Another cool thing you can do in here is add a call to action. A call to action is any simple action that you want viewers of your page to take. Maybe it's visit your website. Maybe it's schedule a meeting with you. Maybe it's go to your YouTube channel. Really, it can be anything you choose, but you can only do one call to action on your page. With this project that I'm making the page for, we have a new website, shiny new website. So let's just go to the home page of it, get the URL, and then for our button, put visit our new website. Cool. And then it previews the button here. It's in orange on the back end, but it'll actually, when it launches, be formatted to match the UMIS conference environment. You don't need to worry about that at all. So that's all set. And your company information, we did a decent amount of that as well. We put in your website and all the social media links we could find. I didn't typically put in phone number. I would leave that to you to decide what public phone number you'd like on your profile. And then just once you're done with anything, like anytime you go in here and change anything, just make sure at the bottom you click save and then look at the top here where it says successfully updated. So that is, that's how you know the change was made. And then after it's saved, you can back out to this main menu. Okay, so documents, one of the nice things about the virtual booth is that you can essentially upload as many documents as you want. I guess there is a maximum size of 24 megs, but for the most part, people won't have problems running afoul of that. So it can make it similar to like an in-person booth experience. You can upload all your rack cards, all your trifold pamphlets, all your flyers, like really anything that you have, as long as it's in a document, either Word doc or PDF. If it's an image, that is fine. If it's PowerPoint slides, you can use those. And yeah, so that's the kind of file type supported here. And I don't think there's a limit that we have to worry about. If you encounter one, please let me know and I'll talk to EventMobi about it. And last part is external links. So this is like, say I wanted, because this is a project of MIPIN, I want to put MIPIN's website on here. So I will copy paste it to get the formatting right. It wants the HTTP and everything, but you can just add as many links that you want to have affiliated with your page here. So if you actually have like 5 YouTube videos that you want to share and you only embedded one, what you would do is just put the actual links to your other YouTube videos here and just put the name in, like whatever it is, demonstration video or project video, you know, whatever the name is, and add it down here. So that's pretty much it. This was pretty quick, but hopefully it kind of showed you how you'll go about updating and integrating whatever information to customize your virtual event. And if you have any questions, I'm always here to help. Email is probably the quickest, easiest way to get me any day of the week. You should know my email by now, but in case anyone forgot, it's cryan@umisc.net. And yeah, hopefully this was helpful, and I will see you soon.